In this video, I will show you how to block all bad words on your YouTube channel. Now let's get started. The first thing you should do is go to your YouTube studio. Go to Settings, Community. After that, scroll down. In the Blocked Words box, paste all the bad words you want to block. In the description below, I will provide a link where you can copy this bad language. Here we need to add commas per word, so let's convert it. Now paste the converted word here. Let's add another bad word. Convert it then. Save it once we're done. Thank you for watching.